The new Model 3 performance leverages the latest noise, vibration, and harshness (NVH) and comfort improvements of the new Model 3, latest generation performance drive unit, the most powerful ever fitted to Model 3, enabling more than 500 horsepower and 0 to 60 miles per hour in as little as 2.9 seconds. Top speed 163 miles per hour. Ultra-responsive handling, plus bespoke chassis hardware that deliver performance and stiffness improvement while reducing mass, including adaptive dampers with hollow damper piston rods, multi-section stabilizer bar, ultra-high-strength steel springs, and stiffer suspension top mounts. With these updates, built a more capable, performance-oriented chassis that maximizes the effectiveness of the new technologies found under the skin. Advanced aerodynamics. The front and rear fascias, rear diffuser and carbon fiber spoiler work together to help reduce drag and improve lift balance at high speeds. Forged performance wheels. Lightweight, staggered wheels provide sharper turn-in response, better traction in corner exit, and are optimized for range and comfort. Performance brakes. Larger brake rotors, calipers and performance brake pads deliver more stopping power and consistent braking at all speeds. Proven safety. Vehicles are designed to be the safest on the road and to help lower the risk of occupant injury. Active safety features like automatic emergency braking come standard at no extra cost. These features are designed to detect potential collisions and prevent or mitigate them. Premium interior. Immerse yourself in a premium cabin with carbon fiber decor, ventilated sport seats and sophisticated materials, executed with an elevated level of precision. Shatter your record. Latest track mode calibrates adaptive suspension, chassis and powertrain controls to give you more control behind the wheel. When driving on track, customize handling balance, stability control and regenerative braking precisely to your liking. Ventilated sport seats. New front seats feature enhanced bolstering and a deeper, more engaging driving position, plus heating and ventilation to keep you comfortable. Carbon fiber details. The lightweight carbon fiber decor and refined weave pattern is unique to Model 3 performance. Dual displays. Rear passengers have access to an 8 inches touchscreen with climate controls, Bluetooth connectivity and entertainment. Studio quality sound. Enjoy immersive sound with an audio system designed by Tesla, with 17 speakers, dual subwoofers and dual amplifiers.